Here is how to lock WhatsApp on WhatsApp web in your laptop. So let's get started. So first, just open WhatsApp web, and one thing to note is that this only works on the WhatsApp app on your laptop and not in the browser. So as you can see, I have the app open, and once you're here, and now the next step is to click on settings that's at the bottom left. Then over here, click on privacy, scroll down, and you'll find this option, app lock. Click on this, and here just enable app lock. After that, you'll have to enter a password and enter the same password again. And now click on OK. And now just click on lock now, and it's done. As you can see, we'll have to enter our password to enter WhatsApp. And there's one setting you should know, and that's when it should lock WhatsApp. So they have different settings, like after 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours. So you can select whichever option you want. And then the next time you open WhatsApp with that time gap, you'll again have to enter your password. So this is how it works. And if you want to know some WhatsApp web tricks, check out this video. Goodbye.